Hey folks, this is Captain Doug Wynn, Crappie Gills and more. I wanted to go over another feature of the Humminbird electronics and the LakeMaster maps. These LakeMaster map cards in the Humminbird units have made me a much better fisherman. I'm going to show you one feature that I use a lot. It's pretty much dedicated to the Humminbird units and the LakeMaster, but we can highlight on the screen. I can highlight depths. Now I pull crankbaits a lot, so I'm typically going to be trying to pull that crankbait anywhere 13 to 15 feet deep, of course depending on where the fish are at. But I want to show you something that I do here. I go into my menu, I go into the Humminbird menu, and I come down to what's called depth highlight. And what I've got that number set right now at 15 feet. I picked that number because that's probably about the maximum say today that I want to run these crankbaits. And the other thing, the next bar down is the highlight range, and I set that at 1 foot. So if I've got 15 feet in here, it's going to highlight from 14 to 16 feet. And when I say highlight, I'm going to clear this out. I will zoom in here. You can see these areas that are green. That is the depth that is 14, 15, 16 feet deep. Those are my target depths for the crankbaits. I'm going to run out here a little bit further. You can see on some of the bars just outside of the mouth of the bay here, we've got flat areas, and I would not really be noticing those areas as much if I didn't have them highlighted. But you can also see along this drop-off ledge, I've got this green line. That lets me know by just a glance. I don't have to be studying and getting down close and looking at my depths and everything. That tells me that is my target range for my crankbait. So if I decide to run this bar, if I decide to run this, or even a flat out here, I know that those, by this green color, this highlight range, that's gonna take a whole lot of the work out of what I do, and that's gonna let me keep my bait in a productive depth much longer. So there's a lot of tools on the electronics. You just got to take a little bit of time to learn how to do them. I will say, Ricky Culp here, he's in the Benton, Palma area here. Ricky teaches classes on these Humminbirds. If you buy one of the new high-end units and you're not happy with your ability to run it yourself, if you want to get in touch with me by PM on crappie.com or email, or even give me a call off the website, I'll be glad to put you in touch with Ricky. He conducts on-the-water classes, and it is money well spent. This is Captain Doug Wynn, Crappie Gills and more, wishing you great fishing. See you next week.